Ever since Roe versus Wade, the decision that guarantees the right to abortion was overturned by the US Supreme Court, users on TikTok have been offering to help. People on the platform have been offering their services and their homes to citizens in the United States who might be seeking an abortion but live in a state where it is illegal. People on the platform using code words like camping or taking a trip to another state when discussing abortions. And the reason for using these code words as opposed to specific phrases is that they're hoping their videos might not be detected and censored, either by US authorities or TikTok's algorithms. And this support isn't just taking place in the United States. There's also been a growing movement in European countries like Austria, Italy, and the United Kingdom. But some abortion rights organizations say that these kind of coded TikTok videos might actually be doing more harm than good. For example, in states like Texas and Oklahoma, people can actually be prosecuted if they are found to have aided and abetted somebody getting an abortion. Concerns then that people are not just not understanding the legal ramifications, but also that they don't understand exactly what they are offering to these people who might be scared and desperate seeking an abortion. Activists saying that people who on TikTok who offer their help without the appropriate resources or training are actually overlooking the established networks of support that already exist. Here's what Rachel Fay from The Power to Decide told Euronews.
This is a time of a lot of political and legal chaos in this space, and I just encourage anyone who wants to help to stick to the channels that are already available, because those are the ones that have been vetted and are doing this in as safe a way as possible, both for the people who are seeking the care and the people who are offering it.
So activists who are using TikTok to support people trying to seek an abortion are being encouraged to channel their support and enthusiasm into more established official channels.